At SpaceLogic, we travel across Australia and internationally, designing and installing our world-leading STERIRACK system in hospitals and healthcare centres. So it was a special pleasure to work with a leading hospital right here in our hometown, Orange Health Service in Orange, New South Wales. Built in 2011, Orange Health Service was ready for a refresh and needed an upgrade in their storage areas. They required custom solutions tailored to each room, offering greater capacity and complete visibility of stock at all times. To improve accessibility, the hospital replaced compactor-style units with static STERIRACK units, reducing the risk of injury and strain for staff. Our SteriLoop premium wire baskets in standard or fine mesh have smooth, rounded corners which prevent cuts and tears to packaging and skin. The versatility of SteriRack also allows for easy reconfiguration and customisation as the hospital's needs evolve. We installed a comprehensive system of stainless steel trays, perfect for storing instrument packs, ensuring no stacking and meeting the highest infection control standards. One of the standout features for Orange Health Service has been our colour-coded labelling system, which has greatly improved stock management and retrieval processes, providing a strong return on investment. We take great pride in partnering with Orange Health Service to transform their storage solutions. This not only enhances their ability to deliver exceptional patient care, but also lifts staff morale across the hospital. Join us in revolutionising healthcare storage today. Call a SpaceLogic consultant and discover how we can elevate your facility's efficiency and effectiveness.